Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. It's G. We are halfway through the month of Ramadan. I hope you guys are making full use of it. Before you know it, Eid is going to be upon us. And of course, we all get excited to cook up our dishes and share with friends and family. We are actually going to be heading to Massy Stores because they have a couple specials on different items. And I have Nisha B joining me. So we are going to be shopping. And we're going to be coming back to the kitchen and we're going to be making two dishes I think everybody usually always has on Eid day. That's Sawine and curry. So let's go. So we have Massey, guys. It's so rainy, but it's all good. We got here. First we have to mask up, of course, principles. So we're going to meet up with Nisha B and then we're gonna go shopping. Just got the Massy Stores. So, like I said, Eid is just around the corner. We all know that we like to go to friends' houses and stuff to whip up some wine and curry.
Absolutely. Oh my god, I think we're gonna miss it this year so.
Exactly. So I'm going to be, I'm sure Nisha could come to it, but we're still going to be making
Not like it.
Not
like it.
We're making some sawine and curry. We're going to head back to my kitchen after we pick up a couple of stuff at Massey. Nisha, this have no pepper in it, do it?
Oh, that's a problem because Nisha loves pepper. Hot mountain.
So we need pepper.
Yeah, we have to look for the, I think they say the rough ones.
Yeah, no.
Really hot, so you choose. Let me see your choice.
I don't didn't have cappuccino, but they're not looking so they're not looking at that.
Yeah, I heard that they did. No, that looked really pretty. So I'll choose a pretty one.
Yeah. That's what we look at all the time.
Peppers. Right.
And just to save time, peel garlic always.
So we don't have to peel anything.
Yeah. Save
Very
time
good.
savers. Time savers. Everything. Okay, cool. Oil.
I like when they put the little packaging.
I know.
And
Must have the oil.
pre-packed. Yummy.
I can't put onions and garlic.
I would
and
put
pepper.
onions and garlic and pepper.
Everything.
Yeah, besides chow. Don't do it with chow.
Yeah.
Onions. Don't taste good of chow.
You have the onion chow, you never tried onion chow?
Oh, yes. Like a pepper pickle.
Yeah.
Very good. You know, social media, they have this garlic.
So we went chicken. So they have these packs already cut up and stuff. So we take one of those, right?
Yeah.
So we got everything chicken and we have the missing anything. I think we all have everything there.
Yeah. So this is actually the part I like, which is the dessert part, which is the
the
neighbors.
Sawine.
Yeah.
So and to make sawine we need the vermicelli. So we have one pack for that. Yeah, so that's nice.
And now we have to get milk. Are you sure one pack is good for me? Because I'll eat 2 packs.
This actually, when you break it up and you put it in the water and stuff, is the next time.
Oh, good.
So you get a good amount of
It's
this.
Nisha.
So like when you're making sawine, right? You pat it. You know it's patted.
Well, this is what I have to do.
Right.
I'm going to buy the pre-patch ones. So let me see how you do this.
So you could use butter, right? You don't have to. Some people actually don't.
I
Like my
have
mom
butter
do
too.
use it, but
Yeah.
then you can put patted with the butter. So you do the butter. You do a little bit more. Yeah. So for sawine, when you're boiling it,
Yeah.
like you put
Whole spices, right?
Yeah, so you put whole spice and then you can put whole clove in it.
Oh,
So you put that in it to get some extra flavor
I
in it.
usually would put that in like if I'm making parsley.
Yeah, no, it's for a reason. This sawine, you like
Yeah.
this sawine?
Well, it depends. Sometimes I would want that little
something.
sour, sweet,
So you
and
put some more?
perfect.
But
Because it's a tradition.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
put your
I think,
raisins in.
yeah, not, I could go in for the milk now.
This is the yummy part.
Yeah, so we need the milk. So I like to use evaporated milk because I
Yes.
feel like the extra is rich.
Extra rich.
So we take any condensed milk too.
Yes.
Taking two just to be sure because we
Two
like all
tins.
sweet, right?
One
we like
for me,
all
one
sweet.
for her.
Exactly. Oh yes, I'll just grab this.
Yeah.
Which one we put in this one, right?
I think the sliced one's good.
Yeah, these are
Yeah.
nice. And then the cherries. Yeah, you want slice?
Slice already.
Like these chunky ones, you just drop them in.
Okay.
It'd be like super easy, just drop
Yeah.
them in.
Yeah.
Good.
This brings back a lot of memories for me because my mother's best friend who passed now, her name was Auntie Amina from Sagri Grande.
Oh.
We were best friends, which is Muslim,
Yeah.
and they would cook every Eid. And they would invite us over. Yeah. You know, I remember my mommy always making Sawine and cooking at dark in the morning, and then we'd go across to my auntie's house and we'd eat so much things like, you all cook so much. I love that.
I know, but with all the restrictions and all that, we can't even like have people over anymore.
I know. So
That's
you
the
showed
thing.
me how to do
I
these
know.
things.
So I hope like we showing people how to cook, make some wine and all that kind of stuff. So I think when we go back, you're going to do the cooking, I'm going to give instructions.
Everything. I'll be like, what is that? So I have enough orders when I take them to a shop. I have to put it in the order. Not to, otherwise I will go crazy. Yeah. I always have to be. Good. Yeah, I do. So cool.
I know.
So then we have to actually keep forget your card is there.
It is there. Very good.
Right there.
Easy shopping.
What a nice thing.
Right guys, so we in the kitchen. We just saw shopping in
Massy Stores.
and it was real fun. We
Oh,
picked up
yeah.
all the stuff. What we making the shelf?
Well, right now we're about to make Sawine. This is the traditional, most delicious dessert ever. I can eat Sawine throughout the year, you know.
Yeah. People actually make that right through, but you know,
I
the
do.
time you must have it.
Must.
So, who cooking, me or you?
Well, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But you're the professional chef, I'm the professional eater, so it could work either way. But Jenna is actually going to show me how we are doing this from scratch because I am the person on the go. So usually I would just go to the pre-patched ones.
Right.
So now I saw my mommy make this already, but I never really paid attention.
So,
You know, we don't pay attention.
now
to
we're doing
food.
the packaging, the actual
Very
packaging
good.
and all of that. So
Very good.
So yeah, so mask on guys, just to make sure you guys remember, keep your mask on, especially during this time. We're in
Yes.
serious times.
Yes.
And no matter what the situation is, be sure and mask up.
Mask up, definitely.
So let's go.
Let's go.
This is just to go through all the stuff that we got. This is the stuff that we're going to be making the sawine with. And then this is the stuff that we're going to be making the curry chicken with.
And we started with the sawine first, right?
Yes.
Because that's patching it and you have to, okay, first of all, sawine is 2 ways you can make it.
Okay.
You know that?
What's the easiest?
The easiest one is patching it and then putting it in some boiling water.
Okay, okay.
And just leaving it.
So
and it'll-
separate pots, right?
Yeah. You leave it and it'll like cook up, like it'll like double, triple.
Yum.
Yeah, and then all you're doing is adding your milk
Okay.
and that's it. And the other way now is actually when you patch it,
Yeah.
then you put your milk in it one time and you cook it up with the milk.
Okay, so what's your,
Like I actually prefer
Favorite
doing
way?
it this way,
yeah.
but a lot of people say it's richer with cooking it in the milk.
Oh, ooh, actually, yeah.
But this way
This
is
is
a lot
added water.
easier.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So which one you want to do?
We'll try the easier version.
You can try the easier one, but you guys can check out my website, my channel, so you have all the different ones there as well.
Yeah.
So let's just put up this pot. While it's boiling, guys, let's just season up the chicken.
yeah, well, I'm
That's okay. So we cooking up this in the oil.
yeah.
So you put this in, so you can put there, and like you can cut
Oh.
up like 2-3 onions.
So
Two, three garlic.
you put it into here?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright, I just said 3 garlic cloves.
Yeah, like 3 garlic.
Alright. Yeah.
Right. So Nisha help us with the onion and the garlic and thing.
I worked real hard today.
She working real hard, guys. And in the chopper, we just did green seasoning.
So Jenna already added lime to that chicken.
Lime, we washed it already, so we're just going to put, I'm just going to season it up and then we're going to do the sawine because you want the meat a little seasoned, right?
Yeah,
marinate
yeah.
a little bit now.
Oh yeah. I love roasted jeera in a lot of dishes.
Yeah, I like to add this a little bit to it.
It adds like a bold flavor.
Yeah.
I like a jeera chicken, to be honest with you. So.
A jeera chicken, me
Like
too.
a
And I
dark
was going
colored.
to make that, you know.
Really?
Yeah, I was going to make, but you know, curry, like Eid time is just no
Yes.
curry.
Yes.
So you put a little curry powder in it and we're just going to mix this up and I'm going to just leave this alone.
Okay.
Just until we...
Set. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there we go.
So it's seasoned up nice and we're just going to leave this, let this marinate. So we're going to
almost
patch
like
patch
patch
it
it
out. We're going to patch, like patch.
Patch.
Patch it. Okay, we say, in Trinidad we say patch, not patch.
Patch. Patch. It's patch.
But first thing first, right? We
Yes.
go into, you see how this big, you know, we had to break it up
Yes.
a little bit.
Yes.
So we want to put it in a bowl and break it up.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is so satisfying, and you have to put, like, do I break it in half or I don't want to get it all over your kitchen. I get ooh.
So first thing you're doing is patching it.
Yes.
So some people put butter or margarine a little bit to patch it, and then some people don't.
Yeah.
I've done it both ways to tell you the truth. Is
Yeah.
either
I think I like it with the butter
With
because it
it.
adds a nice
Flavor.
salted
It
flavor.
does.
So
Yeah.
good.
So I get pieces of this
Mhm.
and just put a little
Oh, she's
bit.
using a tiny bit.
Yeah, you don't look fancy.
Okay.
That pot is too hot, don't let it be that hot.
Oh.
But it's fine. And so you're going to melt it up a little bit there.
Yeah.
So you see how you put this hot? You have to be careful, right? So when you
Yeah,
add it
it's
in,
easily.
yes.
Okay.
So we're going to add in this.
So there's a quick process.
No, actually it takes a while.
It does.
Yeah.
So how do you maintain knowing that it's cooking or boiling?
You will see, like honestly, you'll start to see the colors. It will take a couple of minutes. So you
Okay.
keep your heat on like low,
Yeah.
and you'll just keep turning it up until you
Okay.
start to see it.
And the consistency when it's patched, or is it the color that you
It's
check?
just the color. Just
So
the
once it's
color.
brown,
That's it. So once it browns, you smell it. You smell the butter.
very good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. If it wasn't raw, I'd try it, but
We're gonna be eating wrong with Miss Ali here,
oh
guys.
god, it looks so, so good. And another thing I really like, I told her about it, I love Sawine cake. That's
Yes.
one of my absolute favorites ever. I remember going to my auntie's houses and just wanting Sawine cake and taking home like a half of it because
But
it's so
it's the
good.
same way is if you make this, you know, you just
Yeah.
cook it down until it's thick and just put it in a tray and put it in the fridge. You don't even have to be, it's not baking or anything.
Oh.
Yeah. So I have a recipe up. So if you guys want to check out the mix Sawine cake,
Yeah.
check that out.
Turning skills.
Work.
Chanel's probably thinking, okay, this girl have to get some skills
Pretty
ready.
good. No. All you have to do is just keep turning it because
Yeah.
some of it you want to try to get as even color throughout.
Yes.
You're going to take off the heat from the
Oh,
water. It was hot.
Yeah.
So you're going to set it aside.
Yeah.
And you're going to add
Okay,
this.
adding it in. I had this
Yes.
report it.
So you add it in.
Yeah. Oh, okay. This
And
is something new.
you're going to just leave it, right? And
Yeah.
you're going to see that it's going to double up. So we have the soy. We put that in, right? And normally you just put this when you're boiling and boiling the water.
Yeah.
But the water's still hot, so that's fine.
Okay, good.
So you just put it in there.
To absorb all that nice
Correct.
clovey.
Little cinnamon.
That's like
stick in.
aromatherapy in here.
Exactly. And it's add the flavor.
Absolute delicious flavor.
Correct. So of course you can add as much as you want, right?
Okay,
So,
okay. I
but
think I like how that just a hint.
A hint of it, not much,
overpowering. It's close
exactly.
and overpowering.
it is.
Yeah.
So you the clove and the spice and you'll start to smell it.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It was already smelling good before, and now it smells extra.
Put in some oil,
Okay.
right? Because now you don't have some people say don't cook with oil, but you know I
I know.
oil in
Yeah.
it.
The oil is just give it a nice all
Yeah.
over texture, everything.
I like to pick up the onion and the garlic.
Yes. Yes.
Right? And your curry leaf too.
Yeah, that's sizzle.
So you put in the curry. Now this is what average, right?
Yeah.
You could average it.
Put
Put more?
maybe a little bit more. Yeah.
Get there?
Alright, yeah, that looks good.
Nisha teacher, Nisha in the kitchen. She running things today,
I'm
guys.
a boss. I'm a boss. Oh, yeah, it smells so good.
Yeah, water.
So add in the water.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's steamboat, nothing there.
I know.
I like stew.
I love stew.
Yeah.
Anything. I like the color of this curry. Color is very good.
So I'll just leave it and then let maybe the spring water.
Yes.
And then I'll just let it dry out a little bit.
Oh.
And when it dries.
I'm doing it wrong all my life, but
No,
it's not
no,
wrong.
no. It just tastes good. Once you
It
enjoy,
does.
that's what I tell everybody.
Yeah.
Once you all enjoy how your food tastes,
Right?
you're
So
doing
they
a
put to
good job.
burn and sizzle up a little bit.
Yeah, so like the water will not, the meat will naturally spring water from it.
Okay.
Some more than others, right?
Yeah.
So when it's at when it cooked down and when you most of that gone,
Yeah.
then you throw it on it.
So you don't have this fright that it's going to burn and
Yeah.
okay, good.
Alright, so you see most of the water gone here now, right?
Yeah.
So now it's time you add a little water, but you don't add too much too.
Just a tiny touch.
Yeah, just enough.
Good.
Because this kind of meat too, it won't take long to cook. I see how
Exactly. It looks like it all already.
Yeah. So you just put it, leave it there.
Yeah.
Let it cook down. I increase the heat there.
Yeah.
And well, you have a taste for salt and things.
Yes.
Yeah. So the chicken almost done. It's looking good, right?
Yes.
So when it almost finished, I like to add some jeera in it. So you can
yeah.
show jeera, and I like the color too.
This is the best part.
right?
Yeah.
So you can throw like sprinkle all over. Yeah.
Oh yeah. This looks good.
Nisha B style. And
Is that
I
enough?
like to put, yeah, you can put more if you want to. I like to put some green seasoning to finish it off. Right?
Yeah. They're going to bring out the
Yeah.
we call it best flavor. See that? I have to go home now. Because I
Yeah.
can't handle it. I can't handle it. It looks so good. This is my first gill cook, by the way. I'm so excited about
Really?
it. Yes.
So we just going to let it thicken up a little bit and
Yeah.
that'll be it for me.
Okay, good.
Alright, so chicken finished. Now it's on to this sawine. So you see how it's
So before we go to there, I have to do this, right? Don't think I can't smell through this. I can smell anything through this mask. Alright?
So now for this now, right? You put in this milk.
Yes.
You just add in your stuffing.
And this is Nestle evaporated milk.
Correct, yeah.
Creamy goodness.
So you just put your milk.
This is Nestle condensed milk. So I think we were little growing up and see our parents using these things to make sawine every single Eid.
So this you put as much as you like.
And this is a staple for Eid. So this is one of the most, to me, the most important parts of the food aspect of Eid.
And how much raisins you want, any amount.
Yeah. And our fruit. So traditionally it's cherries.
Yeah. And my favorite, the
Sliced almonds. Yum. I can have the entire pack in there. This is so good.
Alright guys, so sawine and curry chicken, Nisha B and Jenna G in the kitchen, and of course we use all the stuff from Massy.
Oh yeah, we have to say thank you very much to Massey for providing the delicious evaporated milk and condensed milk, and of course cuisine oils and some of their absolutely delicious condiments as well.
So you guys check out Massy for your Eid shopping. They've got lots of items, making everything you have to put
Lots
on
of
your
ingredients,
table
yes.
for Eid on Eid morning.
Also prepackaged seasonings, and your meat is halal. So go to Massey, get your Eid items at great deals, and she and I will enjoy this delicious sawine and scrumptious
so
curry chicken. I can't even wait to get into it.
I know. So it was real fun cooking all of this.
Absolutely
Real
fun. And we're going to have another, we call this a fancy girl cook. So
So thanks so much for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Your support is always very much appreciated. Thanks as always guys. I'll see you all in my next video.
yes.
Bye.
Hi everybody, this is Nisha B, and today I am at Massy Stores with my very special friend Jenna G.
Hey guys, so we are going to be cooking up a storm because Eid is just around the corner of course. So we're going to be making some sawine and we're going to be cooking curry, all using specials and stuff from Massy Stores here.
Oh yeah, let's go to this. I am in Jenna G's kitchen. This is food not good. Trinity style now. Trinity style. Yeah, look my girl coming. Are we all in pink today?
Yeah, it just so happened we just match.
Beautiful.